The first Zika virus case has been reported in Arizona. Cronkite News reporter Kendall Bartley spoke with County Environmental Services and Health Services about whether residents need to be concerned.
Affecting one local Maricopa County woman who traveled out of the country. Most Zika virus cases in the United States were originally transmitted, while patients were in other affected countries.
State health officials confirmed that the patient didn't catch it in Arizona.
We believe that this case that was identified in Maricopa County was actually exposed and infected by the Zika virus while she was traveling to an area outside of this country that has ongoing Zika virus transmission.
Some of the dozens of countries affected by the virus include Mexico, Brazil, and the Pacific Islands. To protect the patient's privacy, officials said they wouldn't release which affected country she traveled to. The transmission of the virus can happen two ways: a mosquito biting an infected person and then biting someone not infected, and sexual intercourse.
So we believe that the likelihood that this woman was bitten by a mosquito while she was potentially infectious is very, very low, and that there is very little risk to people in Maricopa County.
The symptoms include fever, rash, joint pain, and red eyes.
There's no treatment for Zika, and there's no vaccination at this time.
Environmental Services is working to prevent transmission within local mosquitoes.
And we have a very aggressive program here in Maricopa County. What we do is all year round, we're out there, our technicians are out there setting up traps. They're testing areas and they're treating areas as needed.
It is important to remove any stagnant water around your property because that can cause mosquito breeding.
Flower pots or kids' toys or any kind of vessel in your yard that can hold water, even just a couple drops of water. That's a great place for mosquitoes to lay their eggs, and then you get these mosquito breeding grounds.
Environmental Services confirmed that no mosquitoes tested positive for carrying the virus here in Arizona, but they still urge residents to take precautions. In the broadcast center, I'm Kendall Bartley, Cronkite News.